Hey, this is Matt Khalil with the Minnesota Vikings, and you're watching BMA Networks.
I'm Quentin Marty, the president of Matter. Matter is all about expanding access to health right here in our community and all around the world. So today, to be able to come together with the Vikings, who have leverage in our community like very few people do, to be able to use their influence to get the word out that we all want access to health. And there are people who have very limited access, so the Vikings are helping to expand that, especially in this case, celebrating Women's Health Month last month. We're able to come now to the full completion of that project we did with the Vikings to get these products out to women who are really in need.
Hi, I'm Tammy Krause. I'm our Director of Women's Initiatives and Strategic Development for the Minnesota Vikings. And we're so excited about today because we're here with Matter. We partnered together last month to do a collection on behalf of women's shelters in the area, honoring Domestic Violence Awareness Month. And we were able to collect nearly $175,000 worth of products and cash donations. And we're benefiting 8 of our local charities that are women's shelters. And those women's shelters are now going to benefit from all the personal care products for women that we were able to collect. And the Vikings have always loved and worked hard to engage our female fans and the women in the community. But as the new Director of Women's Initiatives, I'm just honored that I get the chance to take that to the next level and have the Vikings be at the forefront of honoring and respecting the women of Minnesota.
Hi, my name is Katie Kramer. I'm with the Minnesota Coalition for Battered Women, and we are very grateful to be here today with the Minnesota Vikings and Matter to receive these fantastic donations of supplies. MCBW has over 83 member programs that provide direct services to women in need, thousands of women in need in Minnesota every year. So we're very, very grateful to have the opportunity to get these supplies and help support the organizations doing great work in serving women in Minnesota. So we have over 83 member programs that do direct services, so we will be dispersing them throughout our member programs to those who are in need of supplies. So we're very grateful.
My name is Matt Khalil. I'm with the Minnesota Vikings. I'm here representing the Minnesota Coalition for Battered Women. It's an organization I got involved with about a year ago, especially everything that's going on around professional athletes and stuff like that. I think a lot of people are shy to kind of step up to the cause, even though it's a real problem. And I saw it as an opportunity for me to stand up for something that's going on that's not right, and show people the right way to do things. So I'm here. We're working with Matter, who distributes or who works with charities domestically and internationally overseas. They do a lot of hospital equipment and they donate to shelters like mine. So it's real cool to be a part of this and do something for a good cause.
This is just the beginning of our partnership with Matter, so we will be doing more events and opportunities with them to partner for women's organizations, but also bringing in our women of the Vikings, our female employees, our players' wives and significant others, and we're going to be doing a volunteer event with them. So we're within our organization really huddling up as well. In my role, it's funny because we've got such a huge variety of ideas that we're implementing over the next 12 months, and it's going to be quite a season.
We can't do anything on our own, so we need great partners. And what better in our community than the Minnesota Vikings? And so to have their ability to get out and spread the word in the community, we just couldn't do it without them, simply put.
Hey, this is Matt Khalil with the Minnesota Vikings, and you're watching BMA Networks.